Hi everybody. Today we're going to be going ahead and making one of these loudmouth inspired by the artist Greg Mike. And you might have just watched a video talking a little bit about his artwork, his big, bright, beautiful murals that he does, and these loudmouths that he's kind of famous for. So I have two here, and we're going to go ahead and make one of these today during art class. So let me move these out of the way and clear my space so you can see what we're going to do. Some of you are going to start out by brainstorming a little bit. So I have this sheet on here where you're going to go ahead and draw in your different ideas. Big square mouth, what kind of teeth, what kind of eyes, and what are some of the things that you can write in here. So this is our worksheet. You might work on this for a couple minutes using your crayons before we actually start doing the collage version. But I wanted to show you the steps for that collage version because it's a little more involved than just drawing with your crayons. So I'm going to start off with my 4 pieces of colored paper. So you're going to go up, you're going to pick out your big colored piece, and then everybody is going to get a black piece, a white piece, and a pink piece. So let's go through these one by one. With the black piece, we're going to go ahead, we're going to use our glue sponge. So let's grab our glue sponge and our scissors because we're going to need those, and we're going to glue this on. So our glue sponge, the whole paper is too big for the sponge, which we're used to. So I'm just putting each corner on the sponge and pressing down. If you look at the back, you can see that's just enough glue that it's not going to make a mess, but it's going to stick real good. So I'll set it on there and kind of rub over those glue spots, make sure it's connected really well. I have my pink piece here, and this is going to be for the tongue. Now you can just cut it out, or like I'm doing here, you can draw it. It's like doing the letter M. Just drawing 2 bumps. I'm going to cut that out. Throw away your scraps or put it to the side until it's time to clean up. Set that on our sponge. I'm going to glue that right in the middle. Now for our white piece, this is going to be our teeth. So I can draw this again, and thinking back to that worksheet, the different types of teeth that you can do. I think I'll do rectangle teeth here. I think up here I might just give them like 2 teeth. It's always good, especially for my younger artists, to draw what you're going to cut it out before you actually cut it out. That way you know what you're doing, because you can only cut it once. I'm going to cut that little space between there. Nice. I'm actually going to put the crayon side on the sponge so that I don't see the crayon marks. Looks good. It's pretty wacky. So that was all of our colored paper. Now you have some options for the eyes and the words. For the eyes, I have a couple different things sitting up there that you can go pick. Some of them have the pupils and some of them don't. So you can pick which one of these you want to do. I picked one out here that didn't have the pupils, and I already cut them out. So I'm going to glue just the bottom of these because the eyes stick up above the head. So I'll put those up there. And then I can choose my eye color, just get a crayon here, and I can decide where he's going to be looking. Like maybe he's looking up, maybe he's looking straight out. And I know some of you have different ways that you like to draw. Some of you are really fantastic artists on your own outside of art class. And you might have a way of doing eyes that you want to do. I think I'll do like a little, you have your iris, which is the colored part of your eye. And then in the middle, you have your pupils. And that's the dark part of your eye. So I have this all put together. Our last thing is just our word bubble. So I want you to think of a positive statement, something nice that you could say that will make your day better or somebody else's day better, or that's just something good to say to each other. We're gonna write that on there, and we're gonna cut it out, and I'm gonna glue it in one of the corners. So we already have these 2 that I did beforehand to give you an idea. And when we're done, just so many of these all saying great things, these loudmouths saying great things to each other and for each other. So I hope you give this a try. I hope you have a good art class, and I hope you make something great out of it. I hope you're your best, and I want you to stay positive. So have a great day, everybody, and we'll see you later.